Hi guys, this is Digital Rakesh. Today I'm discuss very important topic about that Telugu Google Ads. So a lot of people asking this question. So Google launching for Telugu Google Ads. So this ad how we can create for Gmail purpose and website purpose. In a website, the show will be like this. So they will writing for Telugu some like kind of health related option. In this one, how we can creating for in this Google Ads by Telugu option. In this, we are writing the one of the blog for and Google announcing for Telugu ads option. So I'm writing for complete blog. So where is approaching, how is the language are approaching for in the particular Google ads, what are kind of language they are supporting Google, everything I'm writing for in your particular blog option. Just I'm open for your particular my website blog in this website option. Here, Google launching for supporting Telugu language AdWords ads. These all will be supporting the launching for recently. So you can creating ads on Telugu also, particularly using for display ads. No other option will be there. Search, nothing will be work. Only to working for display. They will display by the two position. Which website approved by the here. In this position, they are uploading for Telugu ads. Second thing is called, they uploading for using Gmail ads like this. Any Gmail we can apply for the Telugu ads also. Now, I'll show one of the website how we can show the Telugu ads. So here, how we can showing ads will be here. Same way you can creating for Telugu ads. In this purpose, we have to using for Google input tool. So what the purpose of, if you want Telugu languages, what you can typing, everything will be converted into Telugu languages. So in this one, so how we can writing for Telugu in the Google input tool? Just you can searching for Google input. They can open for the website will be here. After that, first you select by the language. When you typing, so I'm typing for digital marketing. So automatically they convert into Telugu. So which language you can select? You can type some Hindi or English, Telugu. They will be converted into English language. But we are typing only for English. So which language we can convert it? Suppose you want Hindi also. Just you can show here. I'm showing for Hindi also. So what are the language you need? They all give by in this particular option. Digital marketing. So this is one of the Telugu, one of the Hindi option, same keyword. So in this using, we can starting for Google AdWords, we can creating for display ads. In the display ads will be display for the Gmail ads and a particular which webs approved by the Google ads, AdSense. The show ads will be in the other websites and they showing for another place also. Now I can show by the way I can visible by the in a particular ads. Now I'm go to the sign in option. Guys, previous I'm discussed also this ad will be here in display, but I'm creating for only Telugu. So previous and this time only one thing will be change, language change. So what are the language will be support? We can creating for number of language will be writing for in the particular blog. So which is not support, which is supporting everything I'm writing for in this particular blog option. So you can completely read by the blog. I'm writing for total content here. Now coming to this point, click for new campaign. Campaign total option same, only design pattern will be changed. That is called, we can go to where display here, standard display, smart display or Gmail campaign. We can go to where standard display, anywhere you can show your particular ads. Now compulsory you have to mention your website. That is called, this is a mandatory field and you are updating for your particular option. Without adding website, we can't create the display ads. Now click for continue. So now I'm creating campaign will be standard display campaign without any goals. So here I'm writing for my company name. I'm selecting location for local, Hyderabad. Language selecting for English. Automatical maximize conversion. So this will be complete for conversion purpose. So if you need by the viewable impression, you can go to viewable impression. But I'm looking for conversion purpose, which is recommended. We can use the particular recommended option. recommended option. Suppose you can select your budget will be, I'm selecting for 1500 rupees budget. Now in this one, I can creating for ad group. Any campaign, the structure will be design, campaign, ad group and design. So depend on the option, the design will be changed. But campaign ad group will be same for search and display and YouTube campaign. So these three campaign will depend by the campaign ad groups. After that, you can select your particular audience. You can target by any audience. So we can click for done. I'm not selecting any particular target audience. Demographics. What is the particular gender, age, parental status, everything we can selecting by in this option. So how much age group we can target it? Everything will be target. After that, this is a major one to create the ad by Telugu option. No Hindi, no English, everything. So what are the language you need? You can select by here. Select option will be in this ad design time, you can selecting for responsive display ad compulsory important. The main thing is called, suppose the ad will be showing you like this. After refresh, the showing will be this pattern. This is nothing but responsive display ads. Any ad will be designed, we can selecting for responsive display ad. Suppose you always your ad will be showing like this. That is called, we can selecting for copy the upload display ad, we can design by the custom ad option. So that is called, we can selecting for responsive display ads. Select it. Now start design. In this purpose, I'm already creating for my Telugu content will be ready for in this option. So in this, they will supporting for headline will be 5, description will be complete 5, long headline will be 1. The headline will be only for 90 characters you have to mention. Each headline will be using for 30 characters. Each description we can using for 90 characters. We compulsory we can use images, logos and video option. This compulsory you have to follow that the display ad purpose. Where you can display in this website and application, the ad will be shown to the mobile apps also, and Google properties where the properties YouTube and Gmail. They showing for Gmail also will be like this. They receive by email and YouTube. YouTube will be shown to the in this option. After adding image, the clear visible, clear display will showing to the customers. Email option is valid and video option valid. Two option will be valid. The particular option. So yeah, I'm just so only for up to 30 character accepted. That is the reason I'm adding for only 30 characters here. So SEO account writing for Telugu content. So that is I'm writing for display also we can show you here in this particular option that all properties website the showing will be like this. Now I'm adding for logo option. In this, the scanning your website or else logo will be here. If not, logo will be properly in this. You can go to back, upload, select upload option. We have to go to the particular position in this option. So where our logo will be here, select all files. Every logo will be compulsory mandatory field. Now I'm uploading image. First image where you can select it, both, and so what are the images you want? Add the complete ratio option. So logo will be added here. Just I'm checking for logo option. Now I'm selecting for logo will be here. So property, what are the options are will be given? We can use the particular option. Now just we can selecting for all images. So finally, our image was saved. Complete based on image options. They give you the complete option will be here. So in this, now we can check for your designs. It all will be design will be shown to the customers. Now we can add by video also. Video will be YouTube link compulsory mandatory field. So in this we can go selecting on the video. Video was selected. Click for save option. Now we can video checking purpose. Go to properties. The video visible by in this YouTube option will be you can check. So these all will be a particular options are there in this complete display purpose. The ad will be displayed by the other website will be like this. Visit site. This all option will be given by the particular ads. I'm showing for all ads will be here. So just we are check for desktop. Very clear is visible. Mobile will be very small icon will be showing here in this. These all will be a particular icons. You can show to your particular customers. So what are the design you have? Everything will be showing to the particular customers. These all will be looking for Telugu content. We are looking for which one? Telugu content. So nobody can lose your particular option will be given in this ads. So you can promote your business using for Telugu content also. That means by people will be click on your website using Telugu words. So any Telugu words purpose using for Google input tool. Select your language, typing for English, automatic language will be convert when you're typing for this one. Copy paste does not work, Google input tools. Lot of people will try about the copy paste. That is we can using Google translation, but Google input tool, when you copy for or any kind of paste is not working. Only when you're typing, automatic language will be convert. There's a typing will be compulsory important after selecting language. Finally, your ad group is done. Writing for your business name. So any one mistake, they're not creating your particular ad group. Finally, create your campaign. Already I'm discussed any campaign. I'm not creating any kind of goals. If goals will be website traffic or any kind of things, the goal will be selected. Finally, your campaign will be create successfully. This is called, we can promote your business, other website, other application, other YouTube channel using for Telugu content. So your display will be showing to the other website, other mobile apps and your YouTube channel and Gmail position. Display ad will be showing for total 4 complete. That is called particular other websites, Gmail, mobile application and YouTube channel. So this is called, we can creating display ad on the particular using Google AdWords option to display for Telugu ads option. If any further doubt, please ask in my channel. I'll support for the guidance for the assistant purpose. Anyone need by your Telugu content, please contact me. I'll definitely will be support. How you can promote your content will be Telugu ads. Health tips, anything will be support in your particular. This ad will be support for any YouTubers, any business beginners.